Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about validation error. What is validation error? How to apply validation error in our custom module in Odoo 19. So, in today's lecture, we will study about how to change the record color based on a condition in our custom module for Odoo 19. What I mean to say is currently in the list view you can see all the records are shown as same color, not any highlighted. Now what if I want to show the records of books which are available should be highlighted in the list view? So in order to do that, all we need to do is go to our code, go to the view of this list view. Here in our list view, add an attribute known as decoration dash success is equals to add the condition. What we want to add the condition? That this record should be highlighted if state is equals to available. If the state is available, the record will be highlighted as success. Now simply I'll just restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade our module, library management, just remove the filter. See, now you can see the records which are in the available state are shown highlighted in the list view. Similarly, you can add another highlight as well by here. Simply I'll just add decoration danger is equals to state equals to lost. The records which are having the lost state will be shown in red color. Simply I'll just restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade our module, go to our library management, and see, you can see the lost book records are seen in red color. So this is a small trick which can be useful when you want to highlight any records based on particular condition, which will make the list view see very attractive and easily to grasp the record which we need. So let me summarize the today's topic. In order to highlight any of the records in the list view, all we need to do is go to the list view of that particular model and add decoration success or any of the other bootstrap class followed by the condition you prefer, and simply just upgrade your module, and you will see your list view having highlighted records. I hope today's topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Till then, thanks for watching.